I'm gonna give you a look into my account. This is after 2.5, almost 3 years. I started this account in March of 2016, and now it's November the 5th, 2018. But what I wanted you to do is look at this number right here, 2.92%. This number have been pretty stable for the last 6 or 7 months. And I'm gonna just give you the straight up facts. And I think that it will stay right at 2-3%. I'm gonna just turn this off. This saying if all the default loans are paid, which I know it's not. I know they're gonna go into default. Anything over probably 100, or I'll say about 2 months past due, probably would get written off. So this is when everything is written off. So you're looking at about 3%. And I'm gonna just show you right here at a glance. Right here it says I had 471 loans that I've lent out, $25 a piece. 199 of them is current. You got 9 of them that's in grace period. So it haven't passed the 15-day period. So it's still good. If it go over the 15th day past due, they would have to pay a late fee. So these people probably would pay this. But then you got 162 that are paid in full, which is pretty good, but I would like for them to carry out the term so I can get more interest. So you lose interest once they pay it off. If they get a 3-year loan and they pay it off in a year, you lose those other 2 years worth of interest. But then you got 2 that is between 16 and 30 days late. They probably end up paying those. And then you got 12 that is between 31 and 120 days late. And you're gonna probably have some defaults on these. And you see I have 87 that has been charged off. But with all of this, I'm still got 2.92%. And the bank is gonna only pay you 0.02%. So you making way more than what a bank is gonna pay you. So I consider this as a forced savings, because once you put that money in, you can't take it out unless you try to sell your notes. And most of the time people won't buy them, but just consider this a forced savings. So if you're gonna put $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in there, make sure that you don't need it, because you're not going to be able to get it. But anything that is paid monthly, you can have it directly deposited into your account. And with my experience on this, if I have $100 available, you see I only have $4.09 available because I took out $100 the other day. But as soon as you hit withdrawal, it'll be in your bank account the next day. It's pretty fast. So it doesn't take 2 or 3 days. It's in there the next day. But I'm gonna just click on this one right here where it's got 12 that is between 31 and 120 days late. And you can look at these notes. A lot of them are C's. And the higher the letter, the more risk. You know, a lot of people do C's, B's, and A's. A is a top credit. You know, they probably get about 5 to 10% interest rate. But if you get down to your F's, they're gonna be like 20-25%. But let's look at this one right here. The note was due on the 30th of October, and you click on it, and you can go through here and look at all the details of that note. You notice that they never paid any late fees. So this person have been really paying. You know, if you look here in September 2017, everything was good. They were in grace period right here, but they still paid it on time. So I'm pretty sure this person probably might default, because that person really haven't done this before. As you can see right here, they're 2 months past due. It could be some hardships, or maybe they have lost their job, because I noticed that this person did pay on time. But then if I go back and I'm gonna look at this particular person right here, I notice we got a few late charges. So this person got a history of late charges, so I'm not too concerned with them. They probably end up paying in a couple of weeks. So I'm just giving you a glance at my account. If I go back to summary, so if you expect to invest money in this, this is the percentage rate you probably end up getting right here. So I hope this video helped, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.